Hello, everybody. This is Marian Antoinette Inspired. I was at Walmart a couple of weeks ago, and I happened to come across this vlogging kit. I actually think it's a pretty nice vlogging kit. However, when I was reading the instructions, trying to figure out how to put it together, it can be kind of confusing. And I'm the type of person, when I purchase something, I want to be able to look at it, and which I'm pretty good at, and put it together. However, there were some pieces that I thought that maybe if someone else were to go out and buy this product, there may be an issue of them wondering where the different pieces were. So I decided to come on here and show you exactly how to put this vlogging kit together. So the first thing I want you to look at here is the tripod. And with this tripod, you have the remote that comes with it. And then you also have this smartphone mount that comes with it. However, once you get this product and you start looking for the remote and the smartphone holder, you might be looking and thinking that it's missing from the box, because actually the remote is going to be right here in the lid of the tripod. Only thing that you're going to have to do is take it and push it out, and there you go. You have the remote, the Bluetooth wireless remote. Then with the smartphone holder, that's also going to be in one of the other legs. It's going to be right here loaded in the leg. This is the smartphone mount. All right. Then the other pieces that come with this kit is the camera mount. If you decide to use your camera, this is the camera mount. Then you have the mic. It comes with a mic. Also, it comes with a 50 LED light display. And the way this works, there's a little on the side here. There's a button that you push. You hold it for a second, and it turns on the light. And with the light, it comes these 3 diffusers. Okay, the 3 diffusers come with it. And what you would do, you would just go ahead on and put them on. You go ahead and put them on the LED light display holder. And depending on what mood you want, you can look at the box back there and you can see the different moods that these diffusers give off. Here's another one. And then here's another. You look at the back of the box here, you can see the different scenes that you can create. That's pretty neat. Then also with this comes, you have a charger, which is going to be it's to charge the light. Let me go ahead and turn the light off. It's pretty bright. And the way you turn this off is you push this button on the side, the same button you held to turn it on. You hold on to it for a couple of seconds, and then it goes off. All right. And so there is an area here you would stick this USB cord in, and that charges the lights. Also, it comes with a battery. This is for the mic. This is a spare battery for the mic. It goes right in here. And then also you have another battery. They give you an extra battery for the remote. That's for the remote. And then you also get an instruction manual with this, which I have no idea where I put that, but you get an instruction manual. So a lot of times, you know, it's easier to just watch someone put something together instead of reading through the manual. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead on and I'm going to put this piece together. Starting with, we're going to pull up here the tripod. Then we're going to take the bracket. And then we're just going to go ahead on and screw. You got an adjustment knob here on the side of the tripod. And the only thing you're going to do is take it and then screw it on, the bracket onto the tripod. Okay. And then once you have that on, what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece here. You're going to open it, open the flaps here. And you're going to take this part and just screw it on there. Okay, so what we're going to do, adjust this so we have this at the right angle. Okay. And then what we're going to do, actually, let's take this. All right, here we go. And then the mic, where the mic goes, there's an area right here on the side of the bracket. And you would take this part here and you would just place it right in there, like so. And then you put your lights on top. There's an area here, you just push it on top, screw it on, there you go. And you put your phone here. Let's go ahead and adjust this a little bit better. Okay, so there we go. That's the way it's supposed to be set up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get back with you and let you know whether I really like this or not. You know, once you put the phone in and you start to actually vlog and use the lights and the mic. I haven't done that piece yet. So once I do, I'll come back in and I'll let you guys know whether or not it's worth buying. I bought this from Walmart for, here, there it is right there, $39.88. Okay, so I'll be back on another vlog to let y'all know whether or not it looks like it might be something that will be fun to use, but I'll let you know in another vlog. All right, until next time, see y'all later.